Anjanette.
Yeah, and it was kind of expected. He had hinted at this, DeWine, on the morning shows. The message from Governor DeWine and Dr. Acton tonight is clear. No one is invincible. And they say there are people walking among us who have coronavirus and don't even know it.
So this social distancing is absolutely vitally important.
Governor Mike DeWine talking yet again about the importance of social distancing, staying at least 6 feet apart from one another. DeWine explained why it's so important, using data from flu deaths in 1918, in which the city of St. Louis quickly ordered social distancing and made the public aware, while Philadelphia did the exact opposite, and the illness was far worse.
We all want to be St. Louis and not Philadelphia. Well, with respect to my friends in Philadelphia.
The governor and Dr. Amy Acton have ordered bars and restaurants to close. They point to the upcoming St. Patrick's Day holiday and people not heeding the warning about gathering together. However, delivery and carryout will still be available at restaurants.
If we do not act and stop and break up these groups and get some distance, people, if we do not do that, our healthcare system in the state of Ohio will not hold up.
Because of our lack of testing, cases are just the tip of the iceberg.
Dr. Acton explaining how important it is to practice social distancing.
There are many asymptomatic people. Each and every one of us must suspect that we could have it or be carrying it. But you can be asymptomatic and your symptoms will not show for at least 5 to 6 days, if not 14 days from now.
And people need to be aware, she says, of how much stress ill people can put on the healthcare system.
We need nurses and doctors. We need firefighters and EMS and people to not be sick right now. And every one of us might be infecting our neighbor who is a nurse, who we need during this response. This is a civic duty to keep those folks safe too.
Meanwhile, President Trump says the nation's grocers and food companies will meet the demands of shoppers, so hoarding supplies is unnecessary.
You don't have to buy so much.
Now, so far, experts say children appear to have some type of protection against coronavirus. It's not clear why, but sadly, Dr. Acton says children will die from this. This virus will take the lives of the most vulnerable among us. Those are people with underlying health conditions. DeWine.
Scary times indeed. Thank you, Anjanette.